Topic is there's still a mask mandate in most part of this country, right? Mask mandate in most part of this country. States, cities, there's still mask mandate. So you'll think, according to the CDC standard, somebody as old as Joe Biden, what is Joe Biden, like 77, 78 years old? You think somebody like him will wear a mask at all time. You'll think all the doctors around him will tell him, hey, you gotta wear a mask at all time. You in that, that range. But no, here's our guy. Let's just watch the clip. Really? Really, bro? Let's just keep watching. Look at this. Shaking people's hand with that same right hand. With no mask on. But they're forcing your kid into wearing a mask all day. All right? All day for 6 hours. Little kid. And you know how important it is for a kid to be able to have that interaction with other kids, right? See facial expression and all that. Anyway, there's another video posted by Fox News. And that one is just, I don't know. I don't think Don Lemon or CNN or whoever that other guy, Cuomo is going to talk about it. Or the MSNBC lady. I think she's on MSNBC. Let's just go ahead and watch the clip. Watch this. Watch this.
So last night we showed you live pictures of the President of the United States panting maskless on strangers at a Terry McAuliffe rally in Virginia. It was repulsive, was also dangerous by the standards of the way.
Do you see this? Look at all those people. You watch that video, you'll think everything is normal. Wow.
House has imposed on the rest of us. But upon further reviewing the tape, we got this from an eagle-eyed viewer, we noticed something pretty remarkable. Joe Biden spat on a woman live during our show. You can see the moist projectile on your screen right now. It was a spit and run operation. You'll notice the terror in the woman's eyes as the spit comes at her. Now, we don't know this woman's name, this patient zero, if you will, but we would love to hear her story. So she is invited on our show to relive the trauma.
Where is Rachel Maddow? She loved making fun of Trump. You think she'll talk about this? You think the people at SNL, is it SNL? Yeah, those comedians who make fun of everybody. You think they'll talk about this? Come on, bro. Let me know what you think about this. There is a mask mandate almost everywhere. All right, and then there's a vaccine mandate. But you look at those people, no mask, walking around. Joe Biden on his hand and then shaking people's hand. That's crazy, man. Let me know what you think about this. Wow.